respect. Day, what is it? 26 of 64. Respect as a path to peace. Yeah. To bow before one, to give respect. You know, a lot of people feel they just want to be heard, felt, or seen, recognized, acknowledged, given a little bit of credit. To be seen, to be felt, to be heard. It's part of feeling respected by others. They want to be listened to. They want to be honored for their presence, their efforts, their loves, their expression. Can we bow before each other? Can we respect each other? Can we listen to each other? Can we respect ourselves? Respect, when we feel well respected, we very rarely feel any violence. So much violence comes from people feeling disrespected. Hey man, they dissed me. They don't respect me. You don't listen to me. Why can't I express myself to you? Why won't you pay attention to me? Just give me some respect, man. A lot of violence happens because people feel dissed, disrespected. Are you willing to respect others? To respect that they have a right to their grief? To respect that they have a right to their opinions? They have a right to live a full and joyful life? That you have that right as well? Are you willing to respect others? And are you willing to receive respect and experience respect? To give respect? You know, to ourselves, how many times have you said to yourself, God, I wish I knew that? When? Or if I'd have known that when I was younger, or something like that. Perhaps we can respect the time that it's taken for us to learn some of the lessons that we claim to wish we'd have known earlier. But perhaps we respect the lesson now because of the time that's passed and that it has taken for us to learn it, embrace it, and live it. Respect as a path to peace. I respect you. I respect you.